To install the File Server Resource Manager, I'm just going to go to my Server Manager, add roles and features. I'll drag this up a bit. And if we go next, we have role-based or feature-based, which we've seen many times already. If we go next, my server is already selected, RTS-DC1. Now if I expand File and Storage Services, expand File and iSCSI Services, File Server Resource Manager is in the list. So I'm going to select that and click this Add Features, and next we are selected No Features, so we'll just accept the defaults there and install. That install has succeeded. Now if I wanted to install this via PowerShell, I'm just going to right click on Start and go to PowerShell, and I'm going to type get-windows feature pipe more. So here I can see File and Storage Services does have an X in it. So I'm going to hit Enter to drop down just one line at a time. So I'm going to hit Enter a few times. And now I can see File and Storage Services, File and iSCSI, File Server, that was already installed. But now I can see an X in File Server Resource Manager. And I can see the name of that is fs-resource-manager, shows up as installed. So if I had wanted to install this via PowerShell, you would have simply typed install-windows feature, fs-resource-manager, and it would have loaded that on your system. So when I go to Tools, I will see File Server Resource Manager in the list.